Hi, friends. Thought I'd share with you a talk about healing relaxation. Now, this is about stress relief. It's about, childhood trauma, stress relief, job stress. It's kind of like a coming back home, kind of like being wrapped up in a cocoon, a feeling of security. And there's different ways of achieving that. One simple way is sit down and close your eyes. And if you want to go a little deeper, you can do some palming. Cover your eyes with the palms of your hands and close your eyes and just go into a deep meditative relaxation for a few minutes. Feel refreshed. One good idea to focus on is to go from chest breathing to diaphragm or belly breathing. If you watch babies, they naturally breathe into their bellies. Their bellies, swell as they breathe in. And animals like dogs, cats, they have belly breathing. That induces the relaxation response. If you're a habitual chest breather, hyper breathing, or that's a stress response, sympathetic nervous system stress response. And it's like you've been running away from the lion and you never really calm down. You just stay in that sympathetic stress response all day, every day. So it's good to change your habits and breathe into your belly. You can put your hands around your belly button area and just feel your belly expand when you breathe in. And spend several minutes. Now, one healing relaxation meditation you can practice is to put one hand over your heart and another hand over your belly, close to your belly button, and breathe like that for a few minutes and feel your belly swell, expand as you breathe in. You can do a sitting or a laying down meditation like that. Emotional feelings. A lot of people say we store our emotional feelings into our body tissues, and it's good to feel those and release those feelings so that you can be fully active and more relaxed as a person and feel better about yourself. Visiting past traumas, flashbacks, and just release those things and feel more comfortable. Another thing I've done in the past, years ago I took a 6-month course at the American Institute of Massage Therapy. And we learned how to massage each other, different massage routines, And massage, a relaxing, healing massage can be very, very healing and comfortable. I felt so blissed out from a very relaxing massage lasting a half an hour to an hour, general body, back, arms, legs. And it's a good way to recover if you've been stressed out at work, for several days, weeks, months. It's nice to take a time out for yourself and so you can feel really good inside your body. Soaking in a warm tub of water. And if you want to enhance that, you can put in maybe some Epsom salts, magnesium. And it's very healing, relaxation minerals. And, for 20 minutes, a half an hour, maybe an hour, lukewarm to almost hot water can be very healing and soothing to the nervous system. Foot massage would be nice. Sometimes you can just talk it all out with a friend or maybe in a prayer to God. The thing about talking privately with God is you can say anything and everything. You don't have to be so confidential and protective about it getting out. If you're talking just between yourself and God, you can really say anything and everything. You can do this just in your thoughts. God even knows our thoughts. He hears the prayers of even just our thoughts. Feel it to heal it. Release emotions and tensions. Practicing self-induced yawning. And it does take a little practice to get good at that. But you imagine how it feels to yawn. You know, you just start taking in that deep breath. You know, and it gets contagious, and especially if you're tired, it's easy to do. And that can be very relaxing. Well, this is a very quick video, and just gave you some ideas to take time to relax and take care of your body, your mind. And you don't want to have a stroke, especially as you get older. You want to be careful not to overthink, over-worry. Stress too hard mentally, especially as you age, because some people pop a blood vessel, you know, and have a stroke and become paralyzed on one side of their body. You know, you can't move the left side or the right side of your body, your arm or your leg, or, you know, sometimes you have a facial droop, and sometimes you can't talk anymore, and partial paralysis. Strokes can be quite debilitating and severe. So you want to protect your internal machinery, those precious blood vessels. And relaxation is very healing. So that's why I recommend that. And you want to take care of your heart. I like to eat a few cloves of garlic every day, about three cloves of garlic every day. What I do is I chew up a mouthful of food, and just before I swallow, I stick that garlic clove and chew it up with the rest of my food, and kind of hold it toward the back so I don't taste it much, and then swallow it, and then, you know, quickly put in another bite of food. Now, banana, it works pretty good with banana because bananas are naturally sweet when you do your take your garlic. And garlic is very good for the heart. You know why? It lowers the blood pressure. It's a natural blood thinner. So your blood goes through your blood vessels easier, especially into the heart, up into the brain. And garlic is antibacterial. It's antivirus. It kills viruses and bacteria. Garlic is a very potent, healing, natural herb plant. And it works like a medicine. And that's why I like to take it every day. And if you're really battling with something, with a sickness, you want to take the garlic more than just once a day. You probably want to take it about every 2 or 3 hours for 4 or 5 times in a day. 1 or 2 cloves at a time. And you can use those pliers or, you know, garlic crushing instruments and add a half a teaspoon of honey or whatever and get it down easier that way, or, you know, whatever you can do to do it. But it's a very good herb. Onions are healing, and there's other plants also for like that. And so that's what I wanted to share with you, and God bless your lives, and may you find the healing that you need. Hammocks, swinging in a hammock can be very soothing to the nerves, and a hug from a friend can be very healing. Thanks, friends. Bless you.